Hello everyone, my name is Nikki and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my job. I'm going to start off with the three things that I use the most for my job. The first thing is a gadget of some kind. That means I can stay in touch with the team that I work with, either by email or by some kind of messaging service or collaboration tools. I have my calendar on my phone or my laptop, so any kind of gadget will do. I tend to use my phone and my laptop, which is on my desk. The second tool is actually coloured pens and post-its, which you can see on the desk down here. And those are really important. The colours mean different things, and basically I use those pens and post-its to build what we call a Kanban board on the wall behind me. So I'm just going to show you the Kanban board, which is just there. And a Kanban board is something that I use because it helps the team visualise all of the work in progress at the moment. So we start off with the things that we've got to do in the first column, and then we move them to in progress in the second column, and then we test them. So they move into the third column, and then when they're done, they move into the fourth column. And that's called a Kanban board. And it allows us to visually see the work that we've got to do, but also to manage the flow of that work and make sure that we don't have too much going on in any one column. So that's really important for my job. I essentially spend most of my day facilitating meetings, facilitating the team to get on with the work that they've got to do without being distracted, helping them unblock any issues or impediments that might be preventing them from doing the work that they need to do. I try and inject a bit of fun as well if I can into the working day. I also spend a lot of time coaching, so a huge part of my role is coaching individual team members and other team members to use a particular framework that we use called Agile Development, and a set of principles that we use which are called Agile Principles. So it's a mixture of facilitation and coaching. So my role is actually the role of a Scrum Master, and a Scrum Master is somebody who enables very clever people to do the very clever things that they do, but without any obstructions or impediments or distractions. Facilitation and coaching. We actually call it servant leadership. So it's not a traditional management role, it's called servant leadership because I am there to serve them and to help them do the best that they can do every single day. So that's the work that I do on a day-to-day basis. Did I get this role? Well, in my case, I did work in IT beforehand, and I came through a kind of normal IT channel, but you absolutely don't need to do that to be a Scrum Master. You can come from any background industry, it doesn't matter, any discipline, any walk of life. You can jump from whatever role that you're in and become a Scrum Master, because there's no particular technical skills that you need, but you do need to be able to enable people to do the best that they can do. So you do need kind of people skills, and be very happy to foster collaboration between team members and amongst teams. So I hope that helps a little bit about what I do, and thank you for listening.
Did you guess the right answer? If you would like to find out more about this STEM career, ask questions or learn more from a STEM ambassador, email askanambassador@canterbury.ac.uk. Thanks for watching.